Empaka zino zaakwetabwamu abawala bannalulungi okuva mu disitulikiti z'omu Ankole yokka era nga zaaba batasukka emyaka 29 n'obuyigiriza okutuuka ku siniya y'omukaaga.
Now the age is 18 to 29 years of age. The marital status, you should be single and not married. You should not be having any child and you should not be pregnant, and during your reign you should not be pregnant. So another thing is that when you're pregnant during the reign, that one is a total dismiss. And the height, we look at 5 to 6 inch. And the education, you must have passed A level, that is senior 6. And how to enter Miss Tourism Ankole, you should be a resident. You should hail from Ankole region, and Ankole has 10 districts.
Nayebale Shallon mwogezi w'ekitongole ekitekateeka empaka za Miss Tourism wamu n'abalala basinzidde mu lukuŋŋaana lw'abannamawulire mu Kampala ne balaga nga bwe bagenda okusooka okubangula abawala bano abagenda okuzeetabamu.
And on 15th of May, we are going to start receiving applications of the contestants that would want to be the face and the queens of Miss Tourism Ankole. So on 27th of May 2023, we are going to audition the Miss Tourism Ankole contestants, and we are going to give them at least 2 weeks to prepare and get the requirements that will be needed for the boot camp that is going to happen on 11th of June 2023. And that boot camp is going to take place at Reza Motel. This is a new
work, the Uganda Wildlife Education Center, for about a month, where we train them on marketing their country. We have to basically polish them on their speech, on how to relate with people and all. So part of the marks are got from boot camp, and then also on the national day, on the grand finale. Our grand finale is on the 9th of September at the Kampala Serena Hotel.
Bano bagamba nti empaka zino zigendereddwamu okutumbula ebyobulambuzi by'eggwanga era nga balaga ebifo ebyenkizo abawala bano gye bava.
I only knew about Bugisu, about the coffee, about Mount Elgon, about Kadodi. That is what I only knew about. So when I joined Miss Tourism Uganda, it opened eyes to me. I said, hey, so this is how beautiful Uganda is. I had to go to Kidepo, to Queen Elizabeth. Honestly, I didn't know about the beauty that Uganda has.
Within the country, they are going to Mbarara, they are going to Kigezi, they are going to Karamoja, they are going to Guru. We want to partner with them that all the people who are on board are insured. We are not insuring people when they are doing domestic tours. You get a small problem in the park, you are not insured.
Abamu ku baaliko bannalulungi b'Ankole batubulidde ebirungi bye bafunye mu mpaka zino.
Go through every step till the final. It does not stop your dream. Even if you're not a queen, you can be a better person so long as you know what you want in life. So me, I did not stop on not being a queen. What I did was to help the village women to market their products. So I sell endiro, enjemeko, rukomio, those things, and I don't know, but I'm a little going to be kind of strict to the contestants because you have to be knowing each and everything.
Mu lukuŋŋaana luno mwetabiddwamu abali mu byobulambuzi okuleka abegambirira Siofas wamu n'abalala era nga bagamba nti baagala bannalulungi batuukeko mu bitundu byabwe n'okuvumbula ebyobulambuzi ebiriyo.
Okay, after auditions, everything, finals, like the whole team of Miss Tourism Uganda visiting Ankole, demonstration zoo. Then another time in a year, you are representing another region. Maybe there's also another big tourism attraction in another region. So what's your view about my humble request?
For the efforts of promoting tourism, Uganda is, I've traveled around the world. I want to tell you that this is the most beautiful country that you'll ever find.
Yes.
We're not doing very well.
When you choose to take part, just make sure you also take time, research about Uganda's beauty, promote it, use your title, use your name, use the platform we have to promote tourism in Uganda. Because it is through you who has the platform.
Omulangira Junju Moses yakusakidde eggulire lino ku Rocket TV Amalindirire.